The Amazon rainforest is the world's biggest tropical rainforest, occupying the drainage basin of the Amazon River in northern South America. It covers an area of 6 million square kilometers, 40% of South America, spanning across Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Guyana, Suriname, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, and French Guiana. And it is larger than the next two largest rainforests combined. It's home to more than 30 million people and 1/10 of known species on Earth. Amazon has an extremely diverse ecosystem. There are around 40,000 plant species, 3,000 types of fish, 1,300 types of birds, 430 mammal species, more than 380 species of reptiles, and a whopping 2.5 million different types of insects in the Amazon rainforest.